Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel, guys. Another episode of Great British Classic Pub Food. Yesterday, if you seen yesterday's video, I done what I liked, which was fish and chips. I'll leave it at the end of this video if you haven't seen it. Absolutely delicious. So today we're going to be doing something that Nat likes, springtime food. A good old piece of gammon. Gammon chips. I like to have an egg, Nat likes to have a pineapple. I got these from the butchers, which I'll show you in a minute. I'm going to have mine with some homemade chips again, because I've still got my fat from yesterday. So I'm going to use some more of that up before I clean it all up and all that stuff. Big, fat, thick chips. Have you seen yesterday's video? I'll show you them anyway. So it's going to be nice and simple, guys. Let's get straight into it. Let me show you. So, start off with the chips, guys, because we want to get them, obviously, parboiled and everything. So there they are. I've got one more to do, because I'm going to make a few, because obviously the lads are having them as well, but I'll do theirs after, so I've got to do two. So I'm just going to peel my last potato up. There's my potato, and I just got to cut it up thick. Sharp knife. What I do is I cut the ends off. Make it a sort of a square potato. You can still cook them up, guys, you don't have to waste them. Just like that. Just put them in. And then just cut, depending on obviously the size of your potato. I'll probably do 1, 2, I'll do one more, 3. And I'll go straight down the middle, like that. Nice thick chips. Lovely. We'll give them a wash through. So we'll get the potatoes parboiled, guys. I've cleaned them up now. And get them straight in. That's it, I don't have to show you these again, do I? Because I've done them on yesterday's video. Just parboil them and then dry them out on some good old kitchen towel. All right, let me show you these gammons then, guys. Really thick. So these were from the butchers. Look at the size of them. Oh, yes. Thought we were having a gammon. Let's have a big one. To be honest with you, one of these gammon steaks, I'd do 2 of you. I'll have to do these in batches, these gammons, because I'm not going to get 2 of these in a pan. In my frying pan, they're probably about the same size as my frying pan. That's how big they are. But look how thick they are, look. Oh, yes. That is a proper piece of gammon. They were £4 each, so they're quite expensive, but you pay for what you get, don't you? And for a bit of gammon, a couple of potatoes, only 26p each, then potatoes up Aldi. You know. Bit of pineapple or an egg. There's the gammons. Oh, yes. And let me show you. There they are, look, guys. Absolutely massive. Danish, by the way, but Danish smoked. That's what they are. So we'll leave them to get to room temperature anyway. What the chips are doing. Right, chips are done, guys. I'm just covering them up now. We're going to get all them dry. What I'm going to do, I'm going to stick my oven on, because I'm going to have to do like the same I did yesterday with my fish. Because them gammon steaks are massive. I have to do one at a time and I can go in the oven. You know what I mean? Just to keep warm. Just like a hot plate thing, that's all it'll be, won't it? So anyway, we'll cover them up. We'll move them to the side and get the gammon out. We're going to cut the little rind, guys. As you do, you should know, shouldn't you? Just a little slit. Just to stop it curling. These are huge, man. Should have just had one between us. But hey, would you get this in a pub? Well, you would in a big pub, wouldn't you? In a good old pub, you wouldn't get it at Wetherspoons, would you? This size. That's for a fact. What we'll do, yeah, we'll do the gammon first, guys. I'll just show you the one. We'll get them in the oven, then I can get the chips on. And while the chips are doing, we can do the good old pineapple and that then, can't we? So hopefully it should all be done together. Right, let me get my old oven warmed up. 100 degrees, that's all I want. Just to keep it warm, room temperature. Okay guys, I'm going to get me frying pan heated up now. I'm not going to cook them too quick, because they are thick. Probably only need about, what, 3 or 4 minutes each side or something like that. But there they are, look. So you could have just cut one down the middle, couldn't I, and a half each. But, no, let's be greedy. I ain't going to put any oil in, guys, because you shouldn't really need to, because you're going to get fat off the gammon steaks anyway. Okay, gammon time. No need seasoning your gammon. I mean, I wouldn't have got 2 in here. Look at the size of that. That's absolutely huge, isn't it? 3 minutes or so, guys, each side or something like that. It is a bit thicker, so I'll just check on it anyway. You know, I bought this table, what, probably 18 months ago, 2 years ago now. And I don't know, I only bought it for the channel to cook on. And I don't hardly use it, and I don't know why, because it's a lot easier for me. Because on my side there, I'm tripping over my lights, I'm getting in the way of the camera. Here, you can just see everything, can't you? So I'm going to have to start using it more. It's really mad it is, I don't know why I don't use it. But we're looking nice now, we're looking nice. Let's have a look what we're looking like. Or a bit more, you want a bit browner than that, don't we? Want a bit browner. I'll open the pineapples actually while I'm waiting. I might have to have 2 eggs because they're that big. I think that'll have to have 2 pineapple as well. I'll open the peas. I'm only using tin peas, guys. That's all I'm using today. Nat's going to have some. She loves these vine tomatoes. Nat does. So when I caramelise pineapple up, I'll do them good old vine tomatoes with it as well. Grab it, like breaking it. Ooh, yes. I'll probably turn it one more time just to get them a bit more crispy. We'll have a look. And then we'll do the other one. I'll put that in the oven and we'll do the other one. I'm just doing the second gammon steak, guys. Looking nice, looking nice. I've got me oil on for my chips now. I want to get out about 180 degrees. And while the chips are cooking, then we can fry the pineapple up. Peas take a couple of minutes. And the eggs only take a couple of minutes, so. I'm not doing anything special with the peas, guys, just normal peas today. Second gammon is done. There it is. Oh, they're massive. And the smell. Delicious. Into the oven with them. Okay, guys, I've got my pans ready. Oh, running out of room. 180 degrees, or a bit over. Turn it down a bit. 182, 183. Getting my chips in. So I'm not doing all these chips. The lad will have some after. I'll do his after. Won't take me long at all because obviously he won't be doing a video then. So just enough for me and that. I'm going to do them for about 10 minutes, guys. And I'll get my other pans on. Warming up, ready to do my eggs in that one and Nat's pineapple in that one. I'm going to get a little bit of oil for Nat's gammon. Not Nat's pineapple, not a bit. Some for the egg. Right, we're getting 2 pineapples in, guys. Because he's obviously a big gammon. Let me know what you prefer. Do you prefer pineapple or egg? Or both? We're going to get the vine tomatoes in. And I'm just going to put a little bit of juice, of pineapple juice in as well. Like that. And I've just got my egg to do now, guys. I've got to put a bit of brown sugar on the old... I'll do that now, actually. On the old tomatoes. That's how Nat likes them, nice and sweet. A bit like me. I'm enjoying this one this week, actually. I've done one the other day. I haven't uploaded it yet. It's quite long. See if I can get it uploaded. It'll take me a couple of days, I think. Really funny. Really funny at the end. I didn't record at the end. I was hoping to catch Nat in a record situation. But she come in the kitchen before I recorded. Press record. I done a posh Sunday dinner. You know a posh Sunday dinner when you do a little bit on the plate here and a little bit on the plate there. I've done that, and you should have heard that. Where's my bloody dinner? I didn't record it though because the camera wasn't recording at the time. Oh, it was funny. It was funny. It was funny. I must admit. You know, you've seen the posh ones, ain't you? You know, you go to these celebrity chefs with, oh, you can have a little bit of that and a little bit of that. Oh. Her face was a picture. She was laughing her head off, she was. Chips are looking lovely, guys. Right, I've just got my egg to do then, guys, and then I'm going to dish up. Chips are done. Looking absolutely delicious. You can't beat deep fried chips, can you? It's just that. It's the convenience thing, ain't it, nowadays? I know people are more concerned about the healthy thing, but I'm not bothered about that. It's more to do with the convenience, ain't it? You know what I mean? But good old chips, like the olden days. Give them a shake. Bit more salt. Chips done. Oh, it smells absolutely delicious. There it is. Let's bring you around this side so we can see better. So we've got a slice of gammon first. On the one, I'll do nuts with this one. Bit of a pineapple. Get her caramelised tomatoes, which she loves. There they are. Oh yes. And some good old chips on the side. And there we go, guys. There is Natalie's. And I'm going to do more because my eggs are about to be done. And there is mine. Right, let's get on the table and eat it before it gets cold. So, guys, there we go, look. Absolutely huge, them gammons, babe. I don't know whether you get to eat all that. I don't think I'm going to eat all mine. They're absolutely massive. Yum, yum. Pub favourites, eh?
Thank you.
Pub favourites. The only thing I did forget to do when I was cooking my egg, because I was too busy doing other bits, was put some pepper on when I was cooking it. So I've got to put some pepper on my egg. I've only got the pepper. I've got to buy some. I'll have to get some tomorrow. There we go. And we've got the delicious chips and all. Oops, daisy. I've still made a mess, but it's a controllable mess.
If you say so.
If I say so. Some dinner, guys, ain't it that? Some dinner, that is. You're just keeping quiet and eating. Do you want some salt, more salt on them chips?
No, thank you. The gammon's delicious.
Eh?
That gammon's really nice.
Is it nice, is it? Butcher gammon.
Proper nice, you can tell.
I've got the sauces. Do you want the juice to go on top of it?
No, thank you.
No? We left it in the oven in case you want it.
No, thank you.
I don't know where to start.
Delicious.
We'll have one of these little bits of end of the potato crunchy chips. Them chips are gorgeous, aren't they? Absolutely banging. It's because you miss them, don't you, when they're fried, isn't it?
They're my favourite chips.
I don't know where to tuck in. I don't think you get one this size in the pub, would you, Bab?
Nope.
Do you want my fat?
You eat
You
it.
sure?
Yeah, you eat it.
'Cause I'm not a big fatty lover. I know you love a bit of fat. Don't you, Bab?
Was you just telling them about the other day with the posh dinner?
Yeah, I haven't uploaded it yet, so...
Oh, haven't you?
But it's funny, weren't it? Huh? Got that thick.
It's nice though. It's delicious.
I've got too much up there, it's really thick. With my false teeth. Yeah, it was funny, weren't it? It was funny, but I hadn't pressed... I was going to So what I was going to do, press record, then call her in for a dinner. But she come in before I press record, otherwise I'd have caught a reaction. But it was funny, weren't it? What the bloody hell's that? Where's my dinner?
Where's my dinner? Seriously? That's delicious, that is, thank you.
Cut it a bit smaller. Don't realise how thick it is until you put it in your gob. It's really thick, ain't it, that?
It is thick.
I've got too much on my plate. Let's put that egg on that one. This is a bit too greedy, isn't it, this?
It's what you like, though.
Well, yeah, it's what you've got to have, innit? It's pub food, guys, innit? So you want to pay for what you get, don't you?
Yep.
Pub food. That's what you want. But for £4 each, some of them gammons.
That's good.
I mean, you only need one between you, don't you, really?
That's good, that is. £4.
That's good, ain't it, that?
Yeah, it is good. Very good.
I know you can buy the Aldi ones and that, but they're not nowhere near as good as these. And the size. Sometimes, I was going to do another video today, but the weather's not the warmest, is it?
No.
It's, what day is it today? Tuesday.
Tuesday.
It's Tuesday today. I was going to do another video today, but the weather's not the warmest. And we was going to sit in the garden and have it, but if the weather warms up, I'll do it this week.
It was raining this morning.
I know, yeah.
And I got up.
As them, you love them tomatoes, don't you?
They're my favourite.
Nice bit of sugar on there. Make them nice and sweet. Don't they? You love them, don't you?
But I always have to have that on it.
Yeah, and some drizzle. Balsamic drizzle.
I love that stuff.
Right, guys, this is going to take me ages to eat. So there we go. Gammon egg, chips and beans, chips and peas, huge gammon or gammon egg, gammon and pineapple. I could have done your pineapple a bit longer, but everything
No,
was
it's
cooked,
okay.
so I had to get it out, Bab.
No,
because I know
no
you like
worries.
your food hotter. So there we go, guys. Anyway, would you like gammon or egg?
Would you like gammon or egg? Would you like gammon or egg?
Gammon or egg on you?
No, would you like pineapple or egg?
Oh yeah. Would you like pineapple or egg?
Would you like gammon or egg?
Would you like gammon or egg? Yeah, would you like pineapple or egg, or would you like both? I'm not a big pineapple fan. I don't mind it on a barbie, but I'm not a big fan.
I love pineapple.
But you do, don't you? Yeah. And then you got the rest in the tin there. You can just eat at your pleasure later on, can't you?
Yep.
If you're going to need anything else later on, you should...
Done a really good job here.
Yeah, thank you, sweetheart. Guys, I'm dribbling. Till the next time, we'll see you later. Bye-bye. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah, got to cut only little bits because it's very thick, ain't it?
It is thick. Oh,
Usually it'd be in me gob and gone.
it's worth the money though.
Well worth the money.